From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Snyder.
We just keep the good stuff coming. We had this all weekend. We had it late last week. We're not even quite halfway home between what started our dry stretch and when this will finally come to an end, which is probably going to be the weekend. I'm just going to be honest with you. Saturday and especially Sunday do look like they are both trending wetter, but it's only Monday. So we got a whole work week to go where we get more of this good stuff. 64 degrees your temperature right now. That's probably top of the mountain just with where we are in the afternoon. Wind out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour. We have a chilly night headed our way. Clear skies and winds that will continue to slacken. I think we're going to end up dropping into the 40s. What this is not is a night that you have to take precautions for. There's no freeze, there's no frost, none of that. Just dress accordingly, especially kids at the bus stop in the morning. Highs tomorrow. That's pretty much par for the course now. That's right about average for this time of year, lower in middle 70s. And then finally, for the first time in what feels like a long time, feels like it because it actually has been a long time, we're going to finally get some more consistent above average temperatures, and I think that'll take us home all the way into the end of the week, into the start of the weekend. Satellite and radar, mainly clear sky across our region. Farther off to the east, you are more being influenced by a trough. It's not a big trough. It doesn't have a lot of bite to it, but it's got just enough to allow better coverage of the freckles of cumulus clouds that at times have produced a few rain showers farther east toward the Albany area. But our sky is going to stay clear all night long tonight and all work week long too. So we get a chance to continue to enjoy this. Many of you have already seen it, taken pictures, commented on how cool this is. Those two bright points of light, if you're not aware, when the sun goes down, even at twilight, you look west, low on the horizon, that's Venus and Jupiter that are the two really bright objects in that sky, and they are getting closer and closer to one another, destined for a very close encounter by June 8th and June 9th. Those two planets are going to be roughly, if you just hold your thumb out in front of your face, about one thumb width away. That's it. So we're all kind of excited about that. Obviously, we got to hope that our sky is still clear for that point. But for the rest of this week, as they are getting closer and closer and closer, we're going to be treated to a good view. Probably worth mentioning, by the way, they're not going to like collide or anything. They're a long ways away from each other, but relative to us on Earth, it's going to look like they're getting closer to each other. Into Tuesday morning, once we lose those 40s, we're going to be in the low to mid 70s. Sunshine continues. Wednesday is really where you start noticing the warm up even more. We'll be close to 80 degrees, and I do think we're going to be into the 80s Thursday and into Friday. This overall pattern, as the Omega block continues to evolve, that core ridge that's a component of this blocking pattern starts to slide eastward. That's where we get our warm-up into the second half of this week. Things evolve even further beyond that, and I think that evolution is it's going to keep the warmer weather going, a more tempered version of it, but also start to reintroduce maybe some more unsettled weather. And as a result of that, rain chances are set to come back on Saturday. It looks more likely on Sunday. Neither of those days look like washout days at all, but just rather the return of where we've been for the last 3 months.
Okay.